Cadillac parts can be tough to find, especially when it's an important item like your fuel gauge. The last thing you want is to run out of fuel unknowingly on the road. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1960 through 78 Cadillac fuel gauges. Every gauge is meticulously manufactured to OEM specifications for identical fit and finish. Gauges feature the factory correct faceplate painted with the correct markings per your application. A mounting post also includes the correctly located thread holes for a straightforward installation. As always, we recommend that you test all new gauges with an ohm reader prior to installing in the vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.